Hi, my name is Hanilin Humawan from Philippines. I'm 41 years old, single. I am the fifth among the siblings. I have three brothers and I have two sisters. I'm college undergraduate. My course is Bachelor Science in Computer Science. I have experience in Kuwait for 2 years since 2011 to 2013 as a housemaid of the family. My main duties are household chores, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, marketing, cooking, and taking care of two children, the age of 7 years old and 9 years old. I'm currently here now in Dubai. I'm working as a private driver of the family since 2013 to 2026. But I come here in Dubai. I am the one a housemaid of the family. While I'm working, I'm study driving lesson until I pass my driving license. I hope you hire me as your housemaid of your family. I'm trustworthy, hardworking, fast learner, honest, patient, um, flexible. Uh, Thank you and have a nice day.